Which of these numbers is largest? Look closely at these four options. If you take a shortcut here, you might pick the wrong one. Let us write them all down. 0.546, 0.561, 0.506, 0.560. If you do rushed math now, you only see the last digits. 6 is bigger than 1, right? So you think it is this, but that is a big mistake. We must compare from left to right, place value by place value. Look at the tenths. Place first. They all have a 5 here. So we look at the hundredths. This one has a 4. This one has a 6. This one has a 0. This one has a 6. 6 is bigger than 4 and 0. So we eliminate those two options. Now, look at the thousandths. 1 is bigger than 0. So 0.561 is the absolute largest number here. Subscribe for more quick math tips.